Manchester United fans, big updates coming in. Reports from Sky Sports say United are planning a massive summer rebuild, and they could raise over £100 million by selling players. This is not small. Serious changes are coming to the squad. Meanwhile, Harry Maguire has reportedly agreed to a new contract, so it looks like he's still part of the plan, at least for squad depth. Joshua Zirkzee also came out to say, "There's nothing like Old Trafford." You can tell he's already feeling the United atmosphere. And outside United, there's drama around Arsenal with talks of possible bans after recent incidents. But for now, that one is still developing. Bottom line, United are cooking something big this summer. The question is, will it finally fix the team? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, follow or subscribe for more.